Pedigree analysis and human traits. So, pedigree is a chart that shows the presence or absence of a trait within a family across generations. The purpose of pedigree is to show the patterns of inheritance throughout biological relationships, specifically for characteristics, diseases, or disorders. Pedigree can help to determine the disease that can be passed on from one generation to another.
Traits of using a pedigree are characteristics that are passed down from one generation to another, can be determined by the gene. This can also show the phenotype of a particular gene, for example, height, skin color, and it can also identify some disorders that you may have, for example, color blindness. So if your ancestors or your parents have dark skin or dark hair, they have blue eyes, it is possible that you also may possess these traits, and this can be determined by looking at the pedigree diagram.
Allele is a variation of genes which determine the phenotype. Each parent gives one allele to their child. There are two types of allele, the dominant one and the recessive one. The dominant one determines the phenotype whether it's paired with other recessive or dominant trait, and the recessive one only appears if it's paired with another recessive.
So the examples of traits are differences in eye colors, which is recessive for blue eyes and dominant for brown eyes. Another examples of trait is color blindness. Color blindness is a condition where a person cannot distinguish certain colors such as red and green. Males are affected more frequently than females because it is X-linked recessive.
Females are represented by circles and males are represented by squares. Mating individuals are represented by a horizontal line connecting them, and vertical lines lead to their offspring. Affected individuals have filled-in shapes. Half-filled-in shapes signify a heterozygous individual. To evaluate a pedigree, simply follow the generations to view inherited and non-inherited traits.